Chilliz value equivalent to 1.7480 rands a coin. The present cost range: 1.6951, 1.7967. The earlier day close: 1.7218. The change was plus 0.0262, plus 1.52%. Converse rate: ZAR to CHZ. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at 3.01 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.31, while low cost 2.87. The found the middle value of cost 3.07. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 3.09, change for April 2.7%. Chilliz estimate for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.36, while low cost 2.92. The found the middle value of cost 3.13. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 3.14, change for May 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at 3.14 rands. Excessive cost 3.26, while low cost 2.84. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.07. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.05, change for June 2.9%. Chilliz conjecture for July 2024. At the outset, cost at 3.05 rands. Excessive cost 3.32, while low cost 2.88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.09. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.10, change for July 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 3.10 rands. Excessive cost 3.37, while low cost 2.93. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.14. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.15, change for August 1.6%. Chilliz figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 3.15 rands. Excessive cost 3.64, while low cost 3.15. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.34. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.40, change for September 7.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 3.40 rands. Excessive cost 3.40, while low cost 2.81. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.16. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.02, change for October 11.2%. Chilliz figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 3.02 rands. Excessive cost 3.35, while low cost 2.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.10. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.13, change for November 3.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.13 rands. Excessive cost 3.88, while low cost 3.13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.44. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.63, change for December 16.0%. Chilliz figure for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 3.63 rands. Excessive cost 3.95, while low cost 3.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.68. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.69, change for January 1.7%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 3.69 rands. Excessive cost 4.01, while low cost 3.49. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.74. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.75, change for February 1.6%. Chilliz figure for WALK 2025. Before all else, cost at 3.75 rands. Excessive cost 3.81, while low cost 3.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.61. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 3.56, change for spring 5.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at 3.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.38, while low cost 3.56. The found the middle value of cost 3.90. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 4.09, change for April 14.9%. Chilliz gauge for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 4.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.07, while low cost 4.09. The found the middle value of cost 4.50. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 4.74, change for May 15.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 4.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.89, while low cost 4.74. Found the middle value of cost 5.22. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 5.50, change for June 16.0%. Chilliz conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at 5.50 rands. Excessive cost 5.98, while low cost 5.20. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.57. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.59, change for July 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at 5.59 rands. Excessive cost 6.08, while low cost 5.28. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.66. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.68, change for August 1.6%. Chilliz conjecture for September 2025. Before all else cost at 5.68 rands. Excessive cost 6.17, while low cost 5.37. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.75. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.77, change for September 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 5.77 rands. Excessive cost 7.16, while low cost 5.77. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.35. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.69, change for October 15.9%. Chilliz conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at 6.69 rands. Excessive cost 7.45, while low cost 6.47. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.89. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.96, change for November 4.0%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at 6.96 rands. Excessive cost 7.56, while low cost 6.58. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.04. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.07, change for December 1.6%. Chilliz conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 7.07 rands. Excessive cost 7.68, while low cost 6.68. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.15. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.18, change for January 1.6%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at 7.18 rands. Excessive cost 8.76, while low cost 7.18. Arrived at the midpoint